Welcome back to the channel. I am Teacher Neo. I want to say thank you so much for all of you that have subscribed, have watched the videos, and are learning English through my videos. So you all are doing a wonderful job, and thank you for all of your wonderful comments. And I am writing down any suggestions that you all give me. So in the comments right now, if you put any suggestions, I will write them down and have them for future videos. I am sitting by my kitchen door here, so you will hear a lot of birds and possibly a rooster during this video. One of the suggestions that you all mentioned was maybe doing little 5-minute clips. So let's make this a quick and short 5-minute clip. I'm going to make my lunch. So I'm going to walk on over here. I am grabbing the lighter. So I'm lighting my stove, actually. Look right here. My stove is lit. It's hard for you to see it. I have my pan. I'm putting my pan over the fire. I'm going to grab my butter. I have my butter. I am going to put it in the pan. And there it is. Throw my trash away. And I need to get my spoon to cook with. Here it is. It is a blue spoon. I'm going to move the butter around to get it to melt. And as that is melting, I'm going to grab the meat out of the refrigerator. So I have the meat right down here. I take the meat and I separate it and put it into individual baggies. That way I can just grab that individual baggie, and that's all I need to make my lunch. Get this butter melted up. I'm cutting the butter so it'll melt quicker, and I'm going to open the baggie and I'm going to put the meat in the pan. And there it is in the pan. I'm going to throw this baggie away. Now I'm going to break up the meat and get it spread around in the pan. The butter is pretty much melted. And now I need one more thing. I need salt. I'm going to grab the salt. Here is the salt. This is the salt shaker. I open the lid and you can see the holes to where the salt comes out of. I'm going to sprinkle the salt on top of the meat. I'm going to shake the salt on top. There, I think that's enough salt. I'm going to put the salt shaker back. And now I'm going to stir the meat around, and it is cooking pretty well. The butter is going into the meat, making it nice and juicy. And now I need to grab my bowl. Here, my meat is just about done. So my goal is to every once in a while make little 5-minute videos for you. For those of you that want to just do a short video and you don't have a lot of time for a long video, I will still put long videos on, but I do understand wanting to practice English with shorter videos. So that is why I will go ahead and make some shorter videos. Okay, my meat is done. And this is what I'm having for lunch. Meat, butter, and salt. I am going to pour it into the bowl. Okay, it is getting scooped into the bowl. And then I will be washing my pan and my spoon. And here it is. It's all done and it is in the bowl. I hope you all enjoyed this short little 5-minute video. There are the chickens making noise now. Let me know in the comments of anything else you would like to see or learn, and be sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. See you later.